Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Motorola Edge 30. You need to start by opening Play Store on both smartphones and installing free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. Now click on Open. And from here you need to select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on the other device. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. After that, select receive on Motorola and send on an Android. Now you need to wait a bit. And then tap on all of those type of dots. After that, select send. This way you can choose all of your files that you wish to send and transfer them later on. It will take a lot of time though to transfer all of mine, so I will go with only one. For example, maybe this one. Choose send over here and tap on got it. Now you need to select no thanks and close this window on Motorola. And finally we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by selecting this scanning icon on Motorola Edge, tapping on while using the upper only this time and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also input this key over here and select receive. Now after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!